Hey guys, it's me. So I put up a poll on Instagram asking you if you wanted to see either how to cover your dark circles or my evening skincare routine, and most of you chose the evening skincare routine, so here I am. I just wanted to address the elephant in the room, and that is I have a moustache, and I'm telling you in case you care, because I don't. And you know what would be great is if you just don't look at it. Stop looking.
I said stop looking.
So today I didn't really wear any makeups. I'm just going to go in quickly with my Bioderma just to remove any dirt, oils or sweat on my face. Get a good pump of that and wipe it all over my skin. As you can see, nothing there. Normally when I wear makeup I do a double cleanse, but today, as I wore nothing, I'm just going to do one cleanse, and for that I'm going to use my favorite Emma Hardy Moringa Balm. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It's like a really nice balmy oil. I grab a nice big dollop of that and put it all over my face. So this balm is so nice. It's packed with something called moringa, which has a lot of antioxidants and antibacterial properties in it. There's a lot of natural vitamin C in moringa as well. If you're into skincare, you know that vitamin C is so good for you. It basically boosts your collagen, it helps reduce fine lines, helps minimize pigmentation, so you basically get more even and plump skin on your face. I spend quite a few minutes just massaging that into my face, and I really go in and massage it and like really work the product into the skin. This is really good for you if you don't have any facial devices. It's going to really help get that product right into your skin. And then on the neck as well, don't forget that. And then I basically leave that for about 10 minutes or whatever I need to do. I get it done now so that I can just get most of the benefits out of the product, because it's a little expensive, so you want to make the most out of your money. Oh, by the way, this headband is from Kaz Bands on Instagram. I love it. It's so cute. It's quite a nice stretchy material which holds your hair together. I really like it. I use it a lot at home. So if you've got any facial devices, you can go ahead and use that now. I like to use the Foreo Play Plus. This is the one I have. So you press the button at the back and then this starts pulsating, and those sonic pulsations along with these silicone heads really push the product deep into your skin so you can get the most out of your product. I'm just going to move this all over my face. It's actually really relaxing. I use this almost every day, but if you've got sensitive skin then you can use it every other day or twice a week. So once I finish that, I just take the microfiber cloth that it comes with. I just pat away the excess. Once I finish the cleansing stage, I like to go in with an exfoliator. So sometimes I like to do a mud mask, other times I like to use a chemical exfoliator. They are just really quick and easy to do. One of my favorite chemical exfoliants to use is Pixi Glow Tonic. It's an OG. I'm sure many of you have tried this already. It's such a good product. So when you exfoliate the skin, you're basically removing the dead skin off your face so that the newer skin can come through, and that newer skin is going to be like more even. There's going to be fewer fine lines, reduced pigmentation. Glycolic acid in particular is a BHA, so that basically penetrates deeper into the skin. I've done a whole YouTube video on skincare and different types of acids and stuff, so you can go and check that out. I will link that up here somewhere, but it's on my channel and you can go check that out there. I basically take a tiny bit of this on a cotton round. I'm just going to wipe this all over my face, and there's like a little tingling sensation, but that means that it's working. But if it really irritates you, then don't use it, of course. There are other more gentle exfoliants you can use if you have sensitive skin, but I suffer from blackheads, so I like to have like glycolic acid and salicylic acid. They're my two main favorites. After I've finished that and I feel like the tingling has calmed down a tiny bit, I'll go in with an essence or an oil. Today I'm going to use Hanskin Real Complexion Hyaluronic Skin Essence, and this basically is a really advanced version of hyaluronic acid. And what hyaluronic acid does is it basically retains moisture, so it helps your skin to look really plump and juicy. There's hyaluronic acid in a lot of products. I mean, most moisturizers have them. You don't really need a separate product with just hyaluronic acid in it, but I'm just a bit extra. Just gonna pat this all into my skin. It basically makes your face feel like you've had a glass of water. It feels good. Once that's kind of settled in, I'll go in with a moisturizer, and today I'm going to use one of my favorites. It's the Pixi Vitamin C Caviar Balm. I already told you what vitamin C does, but I just can't get enough of it. It's basically packed with ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, and it even has some lactic acid in it, which is a mild exfoliant. So the lactic acid helps gently exfoliate the skin, while the vitamin C is helping to bring out the new skin, make it brighter, make it less pigmented, make it more plump with fewer fine lines. So it basically works in combination together, and it's such a good product at drugstore prices. You need to try this one. I just get a nice big dollop and I put it all over my face. And then to finish off, I will go in with a lip mask. I'm using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. Take a tiny bit of that and put it all over my lips. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something new. If you did, let me know what you learned. And if you like these kind of things, I'll try and do them more often. But that is it for now. I thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye!